Hello! I will show you how to make a lion mask for kids. We will be using glue for this project, but of course you can sew these elements on. The design is very simple and thanks to the plastic cord lock you can easily adjust the size to the child's head. Grab your patterns and let's get started. We will need felt glue, hot glue, scissors, vanishing markers, elastic band, plastic cord lock and needle or hole punch. Instead of felt, you can use colored paper. I also prepared a coloring book with a lion. Just color it, cut holes for the eyes, and it's done. Prepare pattern with the title Lion Mask Part 1 and cut it out. Place this pattern on red felt, outline with vanishing marker, and cut it out. Prepare patterns with the titles Lion Mask Part 2 and 3 and cut them out. Place them on right felts, outline and cut them out. You can make brown circles using a hole punch. Choose the largest size. Place this paper pattern on head, outline inner shapes with vanishing marker. And now cut out inner shapes of eyes. Apply glue on head and on the lion's mane around the eyes and attach it. Apply glue in these places and attach ears in the drawn places. Apply glue in this place and attach this pattern in the drawn place. Apply glue on this pattern and glue it in this place so that it touches the top edge with the previous pattern. Take yellow pattern, apply glue and stick it in this place so that its lower edge overlaps the edge of the head. Take this pattern and make holes in the places of dots. I use hole punch, but you can also use simple needle. Place this paper pattern on yellow felt. Make dots in the places of holes using vanishing marker. Apply glue in the places of dots. And attach brown circles. Apply glue on nose and attach it here. Apply glue in these places and attach these elements here. And apply glue over the eyes and attach white elements. Make holes in the places of dots. Place this paper pattern on back side of mask and make dots in the places of holes. Cut out 36 cm of elastic band. Pull the plastic cord lock on the elastic band like this. The ends of elastic band should be attached in the places of dots. Apply hot glue and attach it. Make the same thing on the other side. At the end we have to hide a trace of hot glue, so apply in these places glue and attach these elements. And the lion mask is ready. Just put it on the face and adjust the size of the bag with a plastic cord lock. If you would like to make another mask, click on this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye!